A post-mortem examination on the body of slain journalist Erick Oloo has revealed that he died of injuries to the head and lower abdomen as a result of being hit by a blunt object. The pathologists have forwarded the results to police for further investigation. The family of the deceased is satisfied with the results but say they hope for a speedy investigation even as they continue with burial arrangements. The body of Erick Oloo was discovered 2 days ago on a blood-soaked bed in the house of Chief Inspector Sabina Kerubo by police detectives. Police have made arrests in connection to the murder.